Hello guys, I'm a professional trader. Come back with me. As usual, I will trade using the Quotex trading platform. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to activate the notification bell button so you don't miss my latest video updates. Okay guys, let's do the video. Okay guys, as usual I use the 10-period moving average indicator. Okay guys, I'm search for the market. Okay, here, this is the long axis above. It means the trend is not strong to the up, and I will open a short position for 1 minute. Okay guys, I'm profit. Okay, I search for the market again. Don't forget to always use good money management, because no technique is 100% profitable. Here I see that the market is strong down, and the candle is below the moving average line. I will open a short position for 1 minute. If this loses, I will reopen the position and increase my margin. Okay, I lost. I open another position with 3 open positions with a margin of $120. Yes, I profit, and I take profit back. Okay guys, I'm search for the market again. Okay, here, this candle is broken down from the previous support. I will open a short position for 1 minute. Okay, I lost. I opened a position again and entered all my balance because I was sure this would be a profit. Yes, I profit. I lost $40 and I closed it with a profit $240. Okay, I'm search for the market again. Okay, here the trend is very strong upwards. I open 1 minute long position. I'm profit again. Okay, here, this is a green doji, which means it will continue the downtrend, and I will open a short position for 1 minute. Yes, I'm profit again. Okay guys, I'm looking for the market again, and you can see this is my trading history. No technique is 100% profitable. If anyone says it is a lie, try to show them their trading history. Okay guys, I will do the last trade. Okay guys, here, this candle is broken down from the previous support, and I will open a short position for 1 minute. Okay guys, I'm profit again. Until here the video guys. You want to learn? Please join my VIP group for free. I will teach you step by step, and you will also get free trading signals from me. You can see my description to join the VIP group, and you can contact me via my Telegram. Okay guys, see you the next video and profit cheers.